Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by importing the Google Earth image into Autocad and defining clear units. Choose a reliable ground distance you can verify on the image, such as a road segment or building length. Once the image is inserted, snap to the known endpoints and draw a polyline between them so you have a measurable reference. Make sure drawing units match your measurement units. Otherwise, scale factors will be wrong and the result will be inaccurate. Next, you precisely measure the pixel distance in Autocad using dist between the two marked points. Then compute the numeric scale factor. Take the real-world distance, in meters or feet, and divide by the measured image distance in drawing units. Once done, select the image as the object to scale. Use the scale command with a clear base point and enter the computed factor. This directly converts the image from image units to finally verify accuracy by measuring a different known feature on the scaled image. The measurement should match the real-world value. If it does, lock the image layer or use image adjust to improve visibility and continue drafting. If things go wrong, don't panic. Recheck your reference endpoints and units, recalculate the scale factor, and repeat scale. Small endpoint misclicks are the most common error. Zoom in, snap carefully, and the corrected scale will resolve discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.